Welcome back to the shrine. I've been trying to improve on my camera equipment. This is a GoPro. It's a 7 silver. I had it for years, and this is the case it resides in. And as you can see, it's got the standard GoPro mount. I bought an arm that I would be able to clamp on certain surfaces. This is one of these adjustable arms, and you can see it's got some serration here, so it can be placed in various different positions and it will stay put. And this came with a lot of hardware, but nothing interfaces with the camera housing. So I was thinking about buying one of these interface pieces, but I didn't like the ones that are out there. However, one of them inspired me, so I went ahead and laid it out in CAD, did a 3D model, and then created this drawing based on the 3D model. This is a 2:1 scale, and I'm planning to make this from aluminum, so it involves basically turning and some mill work, and that's basically it. So follow me on the process, and let's see how this part is gonna look like. save you from the video footage of deburring this piece. It's not exactly as nice as I envisioned, but I'd say it's a good start. The idea here is that I'm using the same exact screw that came with the GoPro. It goes through here, and then once the screw is tightened, then it will bring these jaws together to the center and basically clamp on this piece here, on this center tab. And you can see that's why I created the oversized holes here, so that we end up with a thin section here at the edge, on both edges, so these will be able to bend. Well, despite of that, if I just press it with my hand, it's pretty skookum. It's really rigid, but I can only do probably 100 newtons of force with my finger, and then this screw can do probably 10 times more or 20 times more when it's tightened. So let's see how it goes together. Also, I added a knurling here, so that's a nice feature. This knurl really takes it to the next level, I'd say. So that goes on here, and then I can tighten this up against this plastic nut. I think it's plastic. And then we can put the camera in. And just tighten it up. So there you go. It's pretty rigid. If I tighten this knob up and I put it somewhere, it stays there. It's not moving. So hope you like that. That will be a wrap for today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like the channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.